Applis Loft. Good day, YouTube. I finally came around to doing an update. Haven't done one in about a month. I just had a hectic month and couldn't get around to anything, honestly. Here I have quite a few young birds that have hatched. And I'll just go one by one and tell you exactly who they are and what I'll probably end up doing with them. Up above here we have a couple squeakers. They are a line bred Queen of Netherlands. The dam came out of Jonah Melka's loft, and the cockbird came out of Protege loft. Really good quality birds, and they're young, look promising, even though you can't really tell much of them right now, but the parents are really good breeders, and they're feeding their young real well. Here we have a beautiful hen. She actually bred multiple great racer with multiple different cockbirds, and I paired her to her nephew, which is a full brother of a bird that has bred the first 400-mile winner at the World Ace Challenge. I have one young bird there that he's gonna go to the Plymouth Peak. Down below here we have a full brother of the champion birds at the Plymouth Peak. He also has one bird that's going to go to the Plymouth Peak this year. Down below here we have a bird that's going to go to one of my club members to fly as young birds, just to test them out properly. Over here we have a clutch of eggs that are gonna hopefully hatch soon. They actually broke their first set of eggs, so they're down on their second. Here we have the dam of Super Chief, and that's Super Chief's full half siblings actually there. And she's a very protective mother, as you can see. Here we have Super Chief's young birds. I mated Super Chief to her half uncle, and he is actually the sire to the 4th average speed, 10th on the final race at the Spring Break 300 in the year 2015. These young birds from him and the two from here are going to go to the American International Challenge. Down below here we have the parents of the Plymouth Peak champion birds, and I have a couple young birds that are also going to go to the Plymouth Peak this year. This pairing here is just genetic testing, so their two young birds are going to go to a few club members. These birds here are also going to be given to friends or club members to test in the club and combine level. I do have a couple young birds that just hatched from no-nos. No-nos, as you guys know, is equal first on the final race at the Plymouth Peak. It's the pair that sits in my aviary. I fostered their eggs, and they have hatched a few days ago. but she's an excellent racer. And the cockbird actually bred quite a few excellent race birds. That's full uncle to a niece mating, and their young birds are also going to go to the Plymouth Peak for this year. Anyways, that's the current update. Don't have much, as you can see, but that's all the time I have available for these guys here. If I had more time, probably have more pairs, but these will do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll update most likely in a few weeks, once I'm going to be ready to ship out the birds to One Loft races. I'll film the band numbers, and you guys can follow the results at the One Loft races. Most likely I'll only be sending them to American International and Plymouth Peak this year, but that's still something to think about. Anyways, thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Bye now.